Here's the fastest way to screen record on your Mac. The first thing you want to do is open up QuickTime Player, which should be already pre-installed on your Mac. Once you open up QuickTime Player, go to the top left corner, select File, and scroll down to New Screen Recording, and select. Once you select New Screen Recording, at the bottom you should see the options where you can record the entire screen. Next, you want to select Record. There are other options, but right now we're just going to focus on the basics, which is screen recording. Now you have just started your screen recording. I'm going to go ahead and just let it record a little bit. Okay, I'm going to stop right here. Now that I'm ready to stop my screen recording, I will go to the top right hand corner and select that record icon, and that stops your recording, and your screen recording should automatically pop up on the screen. And that's how you screen record on your Mac. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Please be sure to tap that notification button so you won't miss out on any updates.